Can landlords be penalized for not returning rental deposits on time? Have you ever wondered what happens if a landlord does not return your rental deposit on time? This is a common concern for many tenants. Let's break down the key points regarding security deposit laws and what penalties landlords might face for not complying with these rules. First, it is important to know that most states have specific laws about how quickly landlords must return security deposits after a tenant moves out. Typically, this time frame ranges from 14 to 45 days. For instance, in California, landlords have 21 calendar days to return the deposit. In Michigan, the period is 30 days, while in Virginia, it can be up to 45 days, with some extensions allowed under certain conditions. If a landlord fails to meet this deadline, they may lose the right to deduct any costs for damages. This means they must return the full deposit to the tenant. When landlords do make deductions, they are required to provide a detailed, written list explaining the reasons and costs. This list should include things like unpaid rent or damages beyond normal wear and tear. It is important to note that normal wear and tear cannot be deducted from the deposit. Now, what happens if a landlord does not return the deposit on time or fails to provide the necessary documentation? Tenants have the right to take legal action. They can sue for the full amount of the deposit and may also be entitled to additional damages. In some areas, if a landlord is found to have acted in bad faith by improperly withholding the deposit, tenants can recover up to twice the amount of the security deposit. Courts may also award actual damages and reasonable attorney fees to tenants if landlords do not comply with the laws regarding deposit returns. Tenants can start the process by sending a formal demand letter requesting the return of the deposit. If the issue remains unresolved, they can file claims in small claims or civil court to recover the deposit and any penalties. For landlords, it is essential to follow state-specific deadlines and documentation requirements to avoid penalties. Keeping clear records of the property's condition at move-in and move-out is helpful. This includes maintaining receipts for any repairs. Good communication with tenants about deposit returns can also prevent disputes and potential legal action. Understanding security deposit laws is vital for both landlords and tenants. By adhering to these laws, landlords can protect themselves from financial penalties and legal challenges. Timely handling of deposits builds trust with tenants and supports smoother transitions between tenancies.